What's up everyone? Happy New Year and welcome to the new studio for the first video of 2019. Bringing in this bad boy, the Google Pixel 3. Now I know what you're thinking. Miles, I saw that unlisted video about a year ago. You only just got a Pixel 2 for reasons. And you did an unboxing in that. I may or may not have went swimming with my phone. It's waterproof and they're not getting lost in the ocean proof. So, new phone. But can it do this? Only $3.99. This is as far as it inclines. Let's get a traditional unboxing underway. Thankfully, I did not cut myself. Right off the bat, we have the phone box. Get this one out of here because that's just packaging and picking slips. It's actually really reminiscent of the previous box with the slide-off cover. Yeah, they really kind of make the experience for unboxing. This year I got the clearly white variant, which is clearly white. Okay, getting my fingerprints all over it for the very first time. Really nice, it's got that frosted glass backing. It's not quite white, it's like almost kind of like a grey. And as you can see, it's got that nice mint green button up here on it. I expect this comes with the regular bells and whistles, the SIM tray, ejector, getting started guide, the all important transfer information. I can't utilize that because my phone's currently at the bottom of the ocean. So they've actually included a set of USB earbuds in this model. It's got another nice USB-C charging cable. These are really decent quality from Google. I've never really had one of these fail, which is nice. We've got the compatibility accessories, so if you want to use a USB Type A connected device in the phone, you can. This will operate as an OTG adapter from memory. But you will only get USB 2.0 speeds on those. Got a couple of them around, they're useful to have. Now I've also got the 3.5mm audio jack adapter. I'm a huge advocate of USB-C, but these things, they go real quick. Just in the way that they couple to the phone, gets a bit loose over time, and they're just not made for, say, like going out and running. And lastly, we've got the USB-C wall adapter. I'm trying to go completely USB-C in life, using that as my native port. If you're gonna go USB-C for one device, you really gotta start thinking about going USB-C for all your devices, only having native cables that connect from like Type-C to Micro B or Type-C to Lightning. Okay, so I'm gonna get started and just pop my SIM card in here. Ooh, they've got a little like Google address engraved in here. That's kind of neat. Don't do as Donnie Don't does. Don't do what I just did and put the SIM in upside down. That's a real like amateur mistake. So we'll do the first power on here. Ooh, look at that. That first boot up. It's got those nice little like rounded corners. That was one of the things I didn't really like about the Pixel 2. I've always preferred the smaller variants, but on the Pixel 2, given that that came out in the same generation of phones that had like all these kind of to the edge displays, it felt kind of sad with the massive bezels it had on it, and this is a huge improvement over that. This is just a gorgeous phone. Okay, so let's start. No vision settings, English Australian. Let's just connect to my Wi-Fi. I am not going to read that out loud. One of the things I really like about the Google phones is that when you're upgrading from one to the next, you can actually just pull down a lot of your data from the cloud. As you can see, I can select a recent backup. In this case, it's the one from my Pixel 2. And it lets me pull in all of the stuff that I really need. So all my apps, call history, device settings, which has things like passwords and stuff like that in it, as well as recent SMS messages and all of the synchronized stuff like the calendars. I imagine the experience is actually quite similar in the Apple environment, but I've not really been one for the iPhones. Evidently I enjoy Big Brother looking over with Google. Another neat feature of the Google Pixel phones since the Pixel 2 is the edge squeeze. It's surprising how much I use that active edge squeeze because it's a quick and easy way to activate the voice assistant without actually saying the hot word for it, which just makes it a little bit more casual when you're out and about. You don't have to, kind of awkwardly say, "Hey Google." Yep, cool. Yep, done. No thanks. I think that's all good. I'm going to wrap it up here because I've really only just got the phone out of the box and I haven't had a good chance to play around with it yet. If you liked the video, hit a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought. If you get a waterproof phone, don't go swimming in the ocean. Okay, bye!